In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your order ID format in Shopify. If you're running an online store, having a well-organized order identification system is crucial. It not only helps in keeping track of orders efficiently but also enhances the overall workflow of your business operations. So let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. This is your control center where you manage all aspects of your store. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the settings section. Just click on that little gear icon at the bottom left corner. This will open up a new menu with various options related to your store's configuration. We'll be focusing on the checkout settings today. Click on Checkout to proceed. Now that you're in the checkout settings, we'll look into customizing the order ID. Scroll down until you find a section labeled Order Processing. This section manages several aspects of order fulfillment, and among them, you'll see Order ID format. Click on the edit link next to it to start adjusting how your order IDs will be formatted. By default, Shopify uses a straightforward numbering system for order IDs, but we can tweak this to better suit your business needs and preferences. In the Order ID format window, you'll see options to add a prefix, a suffix, or both to your order IDs. Adding a prefix or suffix can make your order IDs more descriptive and easier to track, especially if you're running multiple stores or want to categorize your orders. For instance, you might use a prefix like New York for orders processed in New York, or even a simple web if you want to distinguish online orders from other channels. If you decide to add a prefix or a suffix, just type it into the respective field. You'll notice that Shopify allows you to incorporate a wide range of characters. While it might be tempting to get creative, we recommend keeping it simple and clear to avoid any confusion. A concise and meaningful addition can make a big difference in organization without overcomplicating things. Once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to save them. It's a small but crucial step, as failure to save means you'll lose all those customizations you've just worked on. Hit the Save button, which you'll find on the top right corner of the page. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your order ID format in Shopify. Your orders will now follow the format you've set, making them easier to track and manage. Remember, these small tweaks can significantly optimize your business processes and contribute to smoother operation overall. Thanks for following along with today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insightful tips and guides.